I love my SE5.
Currently making some coffee with my Jackery 500. It's powering up my Home and Away from Nesco. It's a little percolator. All you do is fill it full of water. Put like 4 tablespoons of coffee in there. It's from the 80s. It's pretty cool. Fitting to get me a fire going on my little fire pit. It's currently about, it was 28 this morning when I got up, but it's about 30 now, so it's warming up some. But we finna go over the stuff in my EDC pouch. This EDC pouch was sent to me by Roaring Fire. Okay guys, we need to build a fire, so we're gonna get into this right now. I'm gonna use my Bic here. Always reliable. The Zippo, you know, sometimes the fuel will evaporate. I didn't want to bring fuel in here, so I didn't even bring a Zippo. I bought one on this trip, but I did not bring one. I got my Bic here. Let's see. Fire starter. I love these things. See, there's my camper there, guys. Got that at a really good price. It's a $99. The canvas is in great shape. Put new wheels on it. A little bit of wiring issues I got to take care of, like the interior lights. But they're brand new lights. They're LED lights. I just got to find out why they're not getting no power. Should be simple. But it's a good little camper. It sure beats sleeping in a tent. Especially last night when it got down to 28. Anyway, fixing to build a fire, guys. Hey guys, let's check what I got in this pouch here. I got my knife sharpener here. It's good for serrated edges, or you can use it like this too. Sharpen a blade with it. Pretty cool. Very nice. You know, I got my big lighter. I got the flashlight I bought the other day. But check this out. Also got a first aid kit. It's got tweezers in it, which I use my Victorinox for that. Little scissors, Q-tips, band-aids, stuff like that. I got a little mini SD Classic Victorinox. It's got the scissors, toothpick, tweezers. Again, the best tweezers you can find. It's got a fingernail file. It's got a main blade too. Get over there. And in the zipper here, I got everything you need. Got a little charger here. Got a Victorinox Huntsman with a Phillips head screwdriver. That's what I like. But you got a main blade. You got a saw. A flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper. Can opener with a flat tip screwdriver on the end. And you got the big shears right here. I love them. And you got the sewing awl. Right, it's got the little hole. You can sew canvas, leather. Got the multi-purpose hook right here. Nice. And it's got the small blade. Yeah. Very nice. Got some more fire starter. And this here, guys, is the it's got like, it's different stuff in here. Like it's got fishing line, it's got stuff to make a fire with. It is a survival paracord. But it's nice to have. Conveniently tucked away. This is actually the charger for the flashlight. Under here, guys, we have my Leatherman. It's always nice to have a good multi-tool. It's USA made, of course. Always nice to have a nice pair of needle nose pliers. It's got main blade. It's got like a little punch blade here. It's got a flat tip screwdriver. Probably a pry bar here. That's a flat tip screwdriver as well, smaller one. And you got a file. You got like a little, it's like a punch blade. You got a can opener and Phillips head screwdriver. Good stuff. Then on this side, I also got another first aid kit. It's just got your band-aids, your alcohol wipes, stuff like that. Gauze is not real big, but it's nice to have. I still got room to put more stuff, guys. I mean, this little kit will hold a bunch of stuff. And on the front of it, this pouch here, I have a little sewing kit. See? Ain't that cool? Very cool. It's got your little scissors and stuff. It's got thread, needles, extra buttons. Very cool. I'm not kidding, guys. I packed this to the gill. You see that right there? And these zippers are YKK. Some of the best you can buy. They're sewn in real good, because you can tell. Check out that flows really good. And then this here, you just simply push it together, push everything in. You just simply push everything in, zip this way, zip that way, and over here it's gonna be tight. So what you gotta do is zip up together, up top, but I don't want it up here at top, because if it rains, water can get down in here. So I simply pull them both back down to the bottom, that way it's sealed. The only fallback that I see on this pack, guys, is they call it wax canvas. It is waxed a little bit, but what I'm gonna do when I get back home, I'm gonna really wax this thing down. I bought some wax from Colorado Bushcraft, because I bought a bag from him, and I asked him what you put on it, and he had wax there. So I bought a can of wax. I'm gonna use that can of wax to really seal it really good. But this is a keeper for me. I will always have this in the vehicle that I'm operating, that I'm driving, just to have, because the stuff in here, I don't use it on me. So it'll be nice to have this in a bag in a vehicle. And you have straps back here that you can put on your backpack. So it's a keeper for me. It's well sewn. It's very well made. It really is. I can't say enough about it. I just want to thank Roaring Fire for sending me this and letting me try this out, because again, guys, it is a keeper for me. Guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. This fire is really going good right now. It really feels good out here. It's probably about 32 degrees right now. But I got some good coffee, and I just want to appreciate y'all tuning in. I really do, guys. And this is what I love to do. I love to go camping. I love to hunt for knives. I love to repair knives. And I like EDC stuff, everyday carry. It's stuff that you can carry on you or carry in your vehicle that would turn a bad day into a good day. So thank y'all again, guys. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.